to bounce back up to that 50, boy. That's one of my favorites. We definitely be taking that. I don't even know if we're going to get a bounce back to anything. Oh, motherfucker.
Order filled.
I got a starter going right there. I'm going to put a combo on here. So I got a little further out of the money initially. Got a little further out of the money on the first one. If we can get up here, I'm going to get in the money. So I'm set either way. I mean, I got a position on. If we pop up here, my stop should be fine. I can get an ad, get another combo. Or, you know, if we break down, at least I got some skin in the game here. 85 is the target. It's right here at the calculated level. Let's see if we blow through this 85. I'm taking profit on time. I'm going to sell into the hour. If we set a new low here, we break this 30.83 and we close under on a new low, give us a setup. I'm going to take off 80% and hang on to 2. I won't sell them. Have my order setting out and I got filled 7 contracts. I'll take it. Let's go. Just fucking die all the way to 45, baby. Let's go. Show me the money. Boom. I'm gonna take some of these off there. Nice. I just got paid. The strike I took right here, I just got myself paid on those. Took a couple off. Might take a couple more off here. And I've got an order sitting out here to add. Just it needs to get up there a little bit more. You missed it by 20 cents last time. Come on.
Order filled.
Nice. Got my fill. Got my combo on. Beautiful. Now let's see what happens. Close of this candle. Take profits. Take profits. Take profits. 645 is my target. 20 more points. You can bet your ass I'm selling that target. 645 is going to give me a 150 point swing. I haven't sold any of my swing. And we're at 60. Damn, I'm going to sell some. I just can't help it. Look at this. This is beautiful.